The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
It's not the National
severe
Endowment.
thunderstorm warning for northern New
So it's not the
Castle
National
County,
Endowment for
northern
Children that
Delaware,
feels so pro
northwestern Canton County
television.
in southern
It's the
New
National
Jersey,
Weather
northwestern
Service.
Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Evesham to Westtown, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. These storms have downed several power lines in Burlington County. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Westchester, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Chester, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, Lindenwood, Belmore, Yeth, Westtown, Woodbury, Downingtown, and Berlin. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 25. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 15 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 341 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 40. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 12. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority.